How to fix Instagram not opening on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. Just first go to Play Store or App Store, and now of course make sure your Instagram is updated, and if you find here an update, just update it. And then let's move to the next step. Go to settings. Now type here battery, click on it, and here we'll find battery settings. Now enable ultra power saving mode, enable it. After that just wait few seconds and then disable it, and after that restart your phone and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it, it's easy. And now if that doesn't fix your problem out, now it means that you need to uninstall your Instagram and to install it again. And I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.